Good evening, everyone. This is Toxinos Philippines giving you your top gainer and loser analysis for April 17, 2017. This is not a stock recommendation, and we encourage you to consider your own financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance when you make an investment decision. We cover the top 5 gainers and losers in the premium version of this report. Please visit www.stocksignals.ph/services to learn more about services. So your top gainer for the day is ECT, but it doesn't have volume. ACE also doesn't have volume, so your top gainer for the day is MRC. Okay, MRC. Hmm, it's still loading. There, sorry. So the stock actually made, I think, yeah, it made a new one. One, two, three, four. Around a 4-year high. So this should have been our resistance, but it broke through. So let's use the monthly to see the next resistance. Uh, this would probably it 0.34. Yeah, that will be a range to 0.37. It's quite a big range. Based on the monthly chart, volume is still growing, so moving averages are still bullishly aligned. Volume though is starting to register a bearish divergence. Volume is decreasing while it's going up. Well, your moving averages are still pointing upwards, so this is still a bullish trend. So can we say, well, ride as it can. It's still going up, but you have to make your stop losses very tight. This may also go down pretty fast, especially because there's also a bearish divergence here. MACD is still bullishly aligned. RSI, well, it's actually oversold since April 7. So, overbought, sorry. It's natural given that the stock is trending. It's just natural for it to stay overbought for extended periods of time. Fundamentally, the stock has nothing. Okay? Basically, there's nothing to look at here except that it's trading at 3.15 times price to book value, which personally is still quite expensive. The top loser is GMAP. I'm not sure of the drop, but I think today is the X date of the stock. So GMAP, technically, I think there was a gap down today. Yeah, there's your gap down, so that's quite a lot. And you also have a needle here at 15.70. So what will the stock do moving forward? Well, we won't see the stock going as high as 6.94 anytime soon. This will just trade inside a range, probably this range. This was just a dividend play, and now that the dividend or the ex-dividend date is already here, there's really nothing to play with regards to this stock. Uh, well, lucky for you if ever you bought the stock today, yeah, because though the stock dropped, you will still receive your share of your dividends. MACD is or has made a bearish divergence. RSI has made a bearish divergence as well. But let's not look at the fundamentals because GMAP just exists as a holdings company for GMA. Yeah, it's a holding company. So it cannot be owned by foreigners. It just it's just for Filipino investors. So the Philippine Depository Receipts (PDRs) issued by GMAP were listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange on July 30, 2007, and for as long as it does not engage in the business, okay? For as long as the PDRs relating to GMA Network Incorporated common shares are outstanding, so GMAP has undertaken to perform the obligations under the PDRs and the acquisition and holding of the common shares underlying the PDRs, which include maintaining the listing with the PSA and maintaining status as a Philippine person for as long as Philippine law prohibits ownership of common shares by non-Filipino or non-Philippine persons. So it's actually a way to buy into the company. That's like an entity buying into GMA selling. So basically, that is GMAP. Okay. So that was your top gainer and loser analysis for April 17, 2017. Again, this is not a stock recommendation and we encourage you to consider your own financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance when you make an investment decision. We cover the top 5 gainers and loser analysis in the premium version of this report, so please visit www.stocksignals.ph/services to learn more about our services. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful evening, everyone.